mean, how often is it just all rocks? There's not a single thing of dirt. I have to get the jackhammer back down here. Brandon, try to come in high on this shot. I've got this thing fucking dug out deep, like as the basic hole depth, and there's no dirt yet. It's still just all fucking rocks and shit.
Alright, sounds good.
On the line, on the money. Chill down here for a second until he comes in. It's a crazy pile of rocks. I've never seen that. List to win $500. Probably not gonna happen for me. Yeah, spin. Okay, yeah, I see you. There we go. Line it up. We'll cut it around. We'll see if that slides on there. Money. That's in there. That is in there. Take our press. Done.